Zhuzhou UKO Cemented Carbide Company Limited, located in Zhuzhou City, hometown of cemented carbide in China, where gathered a large number of cemented carbide products manufacturers and related processing factory. Zhuzhou is one high-speed railway station. 3 main highways pass through the territory. It takes 1 hour driving to Changsha Airport and take 3 hours to Guangzhou and 6 hours to Beijing by high-speed railway. The factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters, and annual output of cemented carbide is 400 tons. There are 60 skilled and experienced workers and office staff to ensure each order operating smoothly under guiding quality management system of ISO 9001. Workshop equipped with automatic press machine, HIP furnace, wire cut machine, EDM shaping machine, CNC machining center, and quality control center to supply excellent quality products to customers. Our serve industries including metal cutting, woodworking, steel wire, nails, fasteners, mold, oil, gas. Main products are CNC cutting tools, tungsten carbide end mill and cutter, woodworking tools, cutter head and woodworking knife, tungsten carbide roll and rings, wire drawing dies, nail spares and tools, sintered tungsten carbide. Our team offer comfortable and reassuring service to customers from all directions, relied on excellent stable material supply chain, strict quality control system in production and inspection before shipment, strong and safe packing for each order, professional merchandiser and logistic following through management system.